If you've spotted a rusty bolt dripping water in your crawl space, especially where it's screwed into a black part on your water line, you're probably dealing with a leaky pressure-reducing valve, one of the most important plumbing pieces in your home to keep your water pressure safe and steady. First off, this thing's job is to lower the crazy high municipal water pressure to something your home's pipes and fixtures can actually handle, you know? Most codes say keep it at 80 pounds per square inch max, but honestly, 70 pounds per square inch is safer if you don't want random drips or busted hoses. If this valve's leaking, it's usually because the rubber washers inside are shot or the valve itself is just old and corroded. If tightening the bolt doesn't stop the drip, chances are you need a new valve. Shut off your water before you start, or you'll end up with a mess, trust me. Get the same brand and model so the union nuts line up right, and always use new washers from the box. When you're putting in the new one, double check that little arrow on the valve body points in the same direction as water flow, or nothing will work right. And hey, try not to hang the thing upside down. It just makes servicing later a pain. Once it's snugged up, slowly turn your water back on and check for leaks. Easy win if you take your time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pressure-reducing valves is thinking a small leak just needs the bolt tightened. But honestly, if it's rusty or dripping steadily, that means the washer or even the whole valve is toast. Just replace it with a new pressure-reducing valve for peace of mind. Another common issue is installing the valve backward. Always look for that little arrow and match it to your water flow so you don't end up with weird pressure problems throughout your house. Finally, folks sometimes skip using fresh washers or forget to fully seat the new ones, which pretty much guarantees another leak. So always use every new washer in the replacement kit and give each fitting a good snug but not Hulk level tight. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super simple to find trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle stuff like pressure-reducing valves, so you aren't stuck guessing about your home's plumbing. If you're a contractor looking for more work, listing on BigHomeProjects.com connects you with homeowners who need real help right now. No more chasing leads that go nowhere.